Hello friends, today our topic is put request. So put replace all the current representation of the target resource with the uploaded content. So put basically explains the details we have provided with the help of post request will be replaced with the data we are going to provide with the put request. So it will replace all the value from the respective section. So for that, we are going to use the same application, same URL, and the endpoint is like API slash user slash tool. And this is the body we are going to use. So let me switch to the Postman tool first. Now, to create one more request, we have to click on this plus icon. Then we have to select the method type as put. We need to create the URL. Let me create it. reqres.in slash API slash users slash 2, and then in the body we have to provide some data in the JSON format. So to create the body, just use the colon, and inside that we have to pass the key value there, which is like name. Name I will keep exactly same as it was before. MYcsHUB. Then we have to use comma, then job, and we will change the value here. Instead of testing tutorials, we are going to use testing training. And then as soon as you create the body, you have to click on this send button, and based on that you are going to get the response. Now you are not going to a new ID for the put request. It will be using same ID, which is basically provided by the post request in the response previously. So you can see the status code is okay. The change you are sending from the body is has been made here. Like we are getting like job testing training instead of testing tutorials. In the previous request, you can see we have provided the testing tutorials. So these details are like dummy, not like exact details. In the real time, the situation will be different. The response will be different. The body you are going to use will be different. The format we have to use some authorization over here. Some header need to be passed. Some params need to be passed. So you have to add some key value params. So the situation will be different. The way of API request creation will be different. But this is the format. This is the way how we can create the API request. We have to add some more details. We have to use the exactly same syntax, but the details will be different to create any API request. And we have to check these response for the testing purpose as per expectation, the status code as per expectation. So these are something we are going to validate in the put request.